guys, this is the Unit 9 review. Okay, you should find this at the back of your packet. We'll go over these questions and you'll submit your answers on the video. Number 1, the artist will use small congruent square tiles to cover each region without any gaps or overlaps. Based on the information, what statement's true? Well, we learned in this unit that the smaller squares equal the biggest square. These two squares equal this one. That's why on the Pythagorean theorem, if you just have the legs, you add them to get your hypotenuse. And if you have the hypotenuse in one leg, you subtract because you need the difference to get the other leg. Number 2, triangle MNP has these vertices. What's the perimeter of the triangle? Well, we know this side has 1, 2, 3 squares. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. So you need to use the Pythagorean theorem to find the hypotenuse. And then they want the perimeter. So for the perimeter, you add all the sides together to get your answer. Number 3. You have 2 points and they're located on the coordinate grid. What is the length of the line segment to the nearest tenth? So we need to plot these points. We have 5, x is 5, y is 4. Here's a point. We have x is -1, y is -3. Here's a point. So now we need to count. And I'm going to help you out because I don't know if you can see it that well. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on this side. Okay? So there's your triangle. And then you do the Pythagorean theorem and you find out what this is right here. Okay? That's a question mark and it doesn't look very good. But anyway, number 4. How many miles would Alicia have to travel to Sal's house if she had to pick up Fred on her way? So here's Alicia and she's going to go to Sal's house, but she's going to pick up Fred first. So we need to find out this side. So you have the hypotenuse and a leg. Find out this side, then you can add these together and see how long it takes her to travel there. Number 5. What is the side length of square C if the area of square B is 36 centimeters and the area of square A is 70.25? So they're giving you the entire area of these squares. So you need to square root the area. So the square root of 36 would give you this side, and the square root of 20.25 would give you this side. Okay? Another way to do this, like I said yesterday, is just take 36. Wait, let's see. They're giving us B and A. So we need to add them together to get the area of this, because this square plus this square is this square. So 36 plus 20.25, and then square root your answer, and you'll get your side. Because they just want the side. They don't want the whole area. Number 6, using the converse of the Pythagorean theorem, which of the following represents a right triangle? Okay? Well, 2 squared plus 1.5 squared, whatever that answer, see if it matches 2.5 squared. That's all you have to do. And then you can put in your answer choice here. Well, on the video, you'll put it in. Number 7, same thing. You have these 2 points, and what is the length of the line segment to the nearest tenth? So we need to plot these points. You have -4 and -2, and then you have 3 and 3. So we need to count down here. We've got 1, 2, 3. Let's see, negative 4. I should have drew that over just a little bit. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 down here. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. Okay? Use the Pythagorean theorem and find out your hypotenuse, and you'll be able to get your answer correct. Number 8. Okay, the diagram shows the side view of a ramp. To the nearest foot, how long is the ramp? Okay, so you have your legs, and you need to find the you need to find the hypotenuse. Okay? Okay, that's it for the review on that. Now we're going to do the review here as well. What's the length of the hypotenuse of the triangle below? So you have the legs. You need to find the hypotenuse. Number 2, a diagonal shortcut across an empty rectangular lot is 97 feet. The lot is 72 feet long. So you have the rectangular lot, and they tell you the diagonal is 97. And the lot is 72 feet long. So you need to find this. You need to find this leg, because that's your hypotenuse. The diagonal is always the hypotenuse. This one says an isosceles right triangle has legs that are 10 inches long. How long is the hypotenuse? Okay, well, they're even asking for the word hypotenuse, so we know that we will need to add the legs together. 10 squared plus 10 squared. Number 4, you use this figure for 4 and 5. The box above is 15 centimeters long and 4 centimeters wide and 3 centimeters tall. What is the length of the diagonal S of the bottom side? So we know if they're wanting to find S, they told us that this is 15, this side would be 15. And it's 4 centimeters wide, and the height is 3. Okay, so on this particular one, if this side's 4, this is 4. So now we can find S. 4 squared plus 15 squared would give us S. And number 5, what is the length of the diagonal R? This one here, so we know that the length is 15, and this side is 3. So 15, because if this side is 15, this is 15. So 15 squared plus 3 squared would give us the diagonal. Okay, number 6. Okay, you just need to do 39 squared plus 41 squared. Enter, and then 45 squared, enter. If they match, it would be a right triangle. Number 7, why is it not possible to make a right triangle using the length of 10 feet by 60 feet by 65 feet? So you need to do the math and figure out which one of these are the reason why it won't work. This one here, number 8, what is the distance between 2 points? Let's skip number 8 because you would need to plot this on a graph paper, so skip 8. Number 9, what is the distance between points W and X? Okay? So we need to count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 here. Okay, now you can figure it out. Here's a practice question on scientific notation. You can fill in your answer there. Number 11, what is the missing side length in the triangle below? Well, we have our hypotenuse right here and one leg. Let's see, number 12, a right triangle has legs of 15 and 22. What is the hypotenuse? You can do that one. And the carpenter added a diagonal brace to a gate that measured 45 inches. So the hypotenuse or the diagonal is 45 and the leg is 55. You can do this one as well. And that's all the review we will do. We will stop at number 13. Please submit your answers on the video. And please work on yesterday's video if you did not complete it. If you have everything completed and no missing work, you may have free time. That'll do it for today. Thanks for watching.